Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best rear view mirror glues in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rear view mirror glues. Starting at number 5, we have the ATG Autozubehor rear view set. Stick-on car rear view mirror with our car accessory set. Attach the rear view mirror inside the car with our special adhesive for glass to the windscreen. The windscreen repair set is suitable for the interior mirror, so you can simply attach the car interior mirror to the windscreen with our adhesive. Smart mirror, smart repair, smart mirror. Our mirror adhesive brings an incredible mirror attachment to the rear view mirror. Our rear view mirror adhesive makes the car safe again. Save time and money. With the mirror glue of our ATG repair kit, stick your mirror. If the mirror is no longer holding or sitting too low, high, you can stick the mirror and reposition yourself. The ATG car mirror, rear mirror adhesive works as simple as a tool. Easy fixation for maximum safety in road traffic. Stick the rear view mirror to the windscreen in just a few steps and enjoy the view to the back. Moving on at number 4. We have the PC Products Super Epoxy. While more expensive than other products, this Super Epoxy from PC Products is definitely of a higher quality. It can be used on your rear view mirror as well as other projects involving wood, metal, glass, brick, concrete, and fiberglass. It cures translucently, so it won't be noticed. It is also highly temperature resistant, ensuring it will have a long life and your fix won't fall apart. It bonds so well that you can even drill, sand, saw, and paint after it's fully cured. The product comes with 2 syringes to apply the epoxy. You will have to do some mixing of the product, so be very careful when handling this super epoxy. It can take it up to 24 hours to fully cure, depending on your project. For the rear view mirror, you are looking at a 3 to 4 hour cure time. While a bit more expensive than other products, it is still under $20 and not a big purchase. At number 3, we have the Gorilla Epoxy. Gorilla is well known in the world of glue products. This 2-part epoxy could be the perfect solution for your rear view mirror issue. Just like other epoxy products, you must mix the liquids in equal parts and then apply, so be very careful. It is great across multiple surfaces, dries clear, and is solvent resistant. It typically sets within 5 minutes, but cure time can depend upon your project. It is also water resistant, giving you peace of mind that it will last a long time. The product design keeps the resin and hardener separate so it won't dry out over time. You likely won't have to worry about a faulty product with Gorilla. You can also get this product in an epoxy stick if you don't want to worry about the detailed, and often smelly, mixing. Sometimes it can take days to fully harden, so you will need to be careful until then. It also sets very quickly, so be sure you are confident when you place the pieces together. At number 2, we have the Weld ClearWeld. This product from Weld is cheap, but you don't end up losing on quality. Coming in various sizes, this is a 3900 psi strength epoxy that sets within 5 minutes and cures within 1 hour. It dries clear and can be used on tile, most plastics, ceramic, glass, and wood. It is a 2-part epoxy that you must, like the ones before, mix yourself. It is great for both large and small jobs, so no matter the size of your rearview mirror, you should have no trouble setting it. It does take 5 minutes to set, so you will have to hold the mirror during that time or the attachment that goes on your windshield. The product itself likely doesn't last over a year and will dry up. There are some reports of it not working too well on certain jobs or materials. Of course, the dispensing and mixing of the epoxy is a critical step, so ensure you get it right to get a long-lasting job. And finally, at number 1, we have the 3M Rearview Mirror Adhesive. The 3M Rearview Mirror Adhesive and Primer is a two-part system that permanently bonds a rearview mirror bracket to the windshield glass. It begins to harden in 60 minutes and takes 24 hours to completely cure. It can be applied in temperatures ranging from 0 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. The adhesive firmly and quickly attaches your mirror to the windshield, and it holds tight after a prolonged period of time. The instructions are easy to follow, and it's set and cured within a day. It continues to adhere when exposed to hot temperatures, and there is enough adhesive in the package to apply it 3 times. It also bonds metal to plastic. Some have reported that the adhesive doesn't provide a good seal between the mirror button and the glass, causing failure. Also, you may need to use more glue than is recommended to ensure the mirror stays put. In addition, positioning the mirror may be difficult if you don't get it on the first try. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.